Alexa, turn on front porch.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off front porch.
Okay.
So these are a pair of smart outdoor lights, wall lights. It's a 2-pack. They've been provided by XMcosy for me to review for you. So let's go ahead and go over some of the features and let's unbox them and set them up. So here's the manual and here's the hardware to install it. Okay, and here's the actual light. The outside of the lights are a metal with this nice plastic covering. It fully encases the light so you won't get bugs inside, and they're also water resistant, so they're great for outdoors. You can see that the light swivels, so I plan on installing these outdoor. I'll have one light towards my door and the other one towards the pathway. So these are really nice. I like them. And yeah, let's turn the light this way and the other one the other direction. There's 2 of them here. Okay, and there's the plastic back where the plate will install on the wall outside. Okay, let's go ahead and take the old light down and we'll remove some of this hardware, and let's go ahead and take the screws out to remove the plate, which you're going to install up there on the wall outside. So you see that there's a little gap there. I've also pre-drilled some holes. So later on I'll probably add some trim around the edge there to hide that exposed area behind the light. So you can see it's been, the screws are in and it's nice and tight. I've gone ahead and turned the light switch on to make sure that they do have power now. I'm going to go ahead and shut the light off and finish the install. Okay, so I have finished the install. It looks really great now, so I'm going to go ahead and add the app to my phone and set them up on the phone so that I can control them via the app and via Alexa. And you can see here I can go ahead and move these lights to whatever direction I want. So again, I'm putting one towards my door and the other one towards the pathway. Alexa, turn on front porch. Alexa, turn off front porch. Okay, so you can see that I can control the lights with my voice using Alexa, or I can use the app here on my phone, which is pretty cool. So here in my phone, I can actually turn it on and off. I can set schedules, and then you can see here there's a lot of different scenes that you can choose from for changing the color of the light. So there's also patterns, so you can select a pattern, which means it'll go from one color to another on its own, which is really cool for different seasons. So if you wanted to turn from orange to a red, or a blue to a sky blue, back to a white, you can do that all for you from the app on its own, or you can choose a solid color. And in general, I like to keep it at the white, but like I said, at different seasons we might want to change that. So that's available. I really like it. This is such a cool light.